Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini API key, easy method. Log into your Gemini account, complete any 2 FA prompts, and open the API key section. Click Create New Key, select Needed Permissions, and copy the key securely. Store the secret in a password manager and restrict IPs when possible. Test the key with a simple request to confirm access. Follow these steps and you'll be ready quickly. Start by navigating to Account Settings and locating the API Keys page, then choose Create New Key and give it a clear name for your project. Carefully set the permissions to only what the app needs, such as read or trade, avoiding extra rights. After creation, copy both the key and secret. The secret is shown once, so save it safely. Use descriptive names so you can revoke unused keys easily later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying the Kindle Paperwhite for reading docs and notes on the go, and it's a handy companion when learning new APIs. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can see current options. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Security matters, so enable two-factor authentication on your account before creating an API key to reduce risk. Store the API secret in a trusted password manager or encrypted vault, never in plain text or public repos. Rotate keys on a schedule and immediately revoke any key that is compromised or no longer needed. Consider restricting keys to specific IPs or usage scopes for additional safety, and document your key policy for team awareness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.